I'm Shannon.
I'm Gavin.
And today we'll show you how to make a cute sandwich bento.
Cut out the bread.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah, a little further from the edge. There you go. Because if you go on the edge, the bread might break. So push it real hard.
Yes. Yeah.
Good. Can you punch it out?
This looks like a starfish.
Here, I'll help you a little. Good job, Gavin. Okay, so we got one bread out. Now can you do what shape is this?
It's hot.
Very good.
Oh.
Was that pretty easy? Yeah.
I just eat the way.
Now I'm going to use white cheese for the heart and yellow cheese for the star. Measure where you need to cut the cheese so that when you place it on the bread, the cheese color stays in the right area. Now put both pieces of cheese inside the bread. Now you have a white heart and a yellow star.
I'm gonna make the faces.
All right, let's do it.
Oh.
What's that? Is that the stars? What?
He's kind of looking like that.
Like that. Let's see. He's looking good.
I think it's good.
Oh, you're gonna fix it a little bit?
Yeah.
All right.
It's kind of up. Oh. Sandwich is done.
Now we will make a ham rose. Start by cutting the ham in half, fold the rounded side over, and then start rolling the ham tightly. Fold the other half of the ham in the same way, and then we're going to attach it to the original half and keep on rolling to make our rose a little bigger. Pierce the bottom of the rose with a dry noodle so that the rose stays in place. Now it's time to assemble the bento. I already put the sandwich in, and now I'm just putting in some sliced cucumber. This little piece of reusable silicone grass will keep the sandwich from getting wet from the berries or from the ham. Gavin loves these little leaf picks. They make his cherry tomatoes even cuter. And now we're all done with our sandwich bento. It was really easy and it turned out really cute.